to begin the next round, I'm going to make 3 slip stitches. So to make a slip stitch, insert in the next chain and pull the string through all loops. That makes a slip stitch, and make one more. Insert the hook in the next chain and pull the string through all loops, and one more. Insert the hook in the next chain, pull the string. So I made 3 slip stitches. After that, I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. After 3 chains, I'm going to make this double crochet. Not a kind of half a double crochet. I'm going to make very tiny petal. So to make a petal, see, I got 2 loops on the hook. Insert the hook in the space, bring the yarn. So now I got 3 loops on the hook. Bring the thread through first 2 loops. Now I got 2 loops on the hook. Keep those 2 loops and yarn over. Now I got 3 loops on the hook. Insert the hook. Now I got 4 loops on the hook. Pull the thread from first 2 loops, and now I got 3 loops on the hook. So bring the thread through all loops. So that makes a tiny petal. After that, make 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After I made 13 chains, then in the next space, chain space, make a tiny petal again. So to make a tiny petal, yarn over. Now I got 2 loops on the hook. In the next space, insert the hook, bring the thread. So now I got 3 loops on the hook. Pull the thread from first 2 loops. Now I got 2 loops on the hook. Keep those 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, bring the thread. Now I got 4 loops on the hook. Pull the thread from first 2 loops. Now I got 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, insert the hook in the space, pull the thread. Now I got 5 loops on the hook. Bring the thread from first 2 loops. Now I got 4 loops on the hook. Pull the thread from through all loops. So that makes a very tiny petal. So this is how it looks so far. And again make 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I made 13 chains. After that, make another petal in the next space. So yarn over, insert the hook, So keep doing the same pattern. So this is the pattern. So this is the beginning of the round. I made 3 slip stitches, then I made a tiny petal with 3 half double after slip stitches I made 3 chains, then I made 2 half double crochets to make a tiny petal, then I made 13 chains, then again in the next space I made a tiny petal with 3 half double crochets, then again I made 13 chains, then a tiny petal. So keep doing the same pattern until reach the end. I'm going to see you at the end. Almost at the end, I made 13 chains and I'm going to make one more tiny petal here, and to make a petal I got 1 loop on the hook, yarn over, and so now I got 2 loops on the hook. This is the chain space. Insert the hook, pull the thread. So now I got 3 loops on the hook. Bring the thread from first 2 loops. Now I got 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, pull the yarn. Now I got 4 loops on the hook. Bring the thread from first 2 loops. Now I got 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert the hook, bring the thread. Now I got 5 loops on the hook. Bring the thread from first 2 loops. Now I got 4 loops on the hook. Bring the thread through all loops. So that makes a tiny petal. After that, make 13 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I made 13 chains. Then make a slip stitch to complete this round. So 1, 2, 3, insert the hook on the 3rd chain and make a slip stitch. Pull the thread through all loops. So that makes a slip stitch. So this is how it looks so far. To start next round, make slip stitches to bring the thread from here to until here, this point. So insert the hook in the next chain and pull the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I made 6 slip stitches and maybe one more. 7. So I made 7 slip stitches. After 7 slip stitches, make a tiny petal like I showed you before. So make the same tiny petal. So to do that, make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and make half double crochet, 3. So now I got 2 loops on the hook. Make another double crochet, so this is exactly like the previous round petal. So make the petal like that. After the petal, make 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I made 15 chains. Then make another petal in the next space. So make 2 loops on the hook, insert the hook, 3 loops, bring the thread from first 2 loops, 2 loops, leave those 2 loops, make 3 loops, insert the hook, 4 loops, 3 loops, yarn over, thread, 5 loops, 4 loops. So bring the thread through all 5 loops, 4 loops. So that makes a tiny petal. Then continue. Then after that, after the petal, make 15 chains. Then make a tiny petal in the next loop. So continue doing the same pattern. Then I'll see you at the end. So I'm almost at the end. I'm going to make one more tiny petal here. So insert the hook. After the petal, make 15 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I made 15 chains. Then I'm going to join the round. So to join the round, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to make a slip stitch on the 4th chain. So I completed the round, and This is how it looks so far. To begin the next round, I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then make a single crochet in the same chain wherever we made the slip stitch. So insert the hook in the same chain where we made the slip stitch and make a single crochet. Then I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I made 11 chains. Then in the next space I'm going to make a single crochet. So to make a single crochet, insert the hook, bring the thread. So now I got 2 loops on the hook. Bring the thread through the loops. So that makes a single crochet. So after that, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then make another single crochet in the same space. Since this is the single crochet, insert the hook and make another single crochet here. After the single crochet, make 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then in the next, on top of this tiny petal, make a single crochet. So this is the petal. Make a single crochet, bring the thread. Now I got 2 loops on the hook. Pull the thread through all the loops. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then make another single crochet in the same space. See, this is the single crochet. Insert the hook and make another single crochet. So continue the same pattern. Again make 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then in the next space make a single crochet. After the single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, then make one more single crochet in the same place. So this is the previous single crochet. Insert the hook and make one more single crochet. Then chain 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So continue the same pattern. So this is how it's going. So this is the beginning of the round. Here I made chain 3, then made a single crochet, then 11 chains, then in the space I made a single crochet, 3 chains, then again another single crochet, then 11 chains. On top of the picot I made a single crochet, 3 chains, single crochet, 11 chains, then in the space I made a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, then 11 chains. So keep doing the same pattern, then I'll see you at the end.